really windy. I can't even hold my camera straight. Mommy and her little girl. With the church bell. Mommy says, lay down like this, little girl. Lay down like your mommy. Now she bites her mommy. Wow. Don't bite mommy. Don't bite mommy. Two little girls. Yeah, that wind is messing me up. Oh, I didn't know you were sitting right here. Wow. We're watching mommy. I want to watch mommy and her baby. Sorry about that. I want to watch mommy. I know you like to bite. Look at mommy. She's playing with her daughter. Teaching her how to play. Yeah. See? You want to watch? Is that your mommy? Is that your mommy? Go see your mommy. Wow. You scared your mommy. The little kitten jumped on the stick and it fell. Oh well, that's the life of a kitten.